Meet the Mets. Step right up and greet the Mets.
Let's do it. We love our Mets. They're our National League champions. I just didn't want to sing for you because I'm not really that good. But they're going to the World Series, baby.
Yeah, last night they defeated the Cubs. They swept them right out, and the celebrations have been nonstop ever since. I mean, what a great moment, right? Well, of course, that means all the fans want to show off their Mets pride with game day gear. We have Josh McBride bringing all kinds of stuff for us, starting with the shirts that we just brought in here. These are the new ones from Dick's.
Hot off the presses.
Yeah, these are hot, hot, hot. So Modell's, these are all from Modell's right here. They actually stayed open after the game last night, as well as then they opened up early this morning to sell all the gear. I'm sure it's
I'm going to Modell's right after the show.
I'm sure it's running out, so make sure you get everything. So everything from shirts to towels to hats to blankets. It's sort of everything Modell's has to showcase everything.
Showcase your pride, really, basically. That's all it's about. Can I tell you, the pennant will rise, and that's what everybody wants to see. It happened, and it is a real thing. Hey, listen, we have something for chic fans, too, because you know what? This is all good gear that you want to get, which is going to run out of the stores. But this is something for women, which when we saw this, we were like, wow, we got to get it. A high-end designer putting out some gear like this, this is cool.
I love this.
Women in bags.
Hey, ladies.
Yeah.
It's all about the ladies here. They teamed up. This is from Dooney and Bourke. They teamed up with the MLB. Available not just for Mets fans, but let's be honest, guys, who do we really care about here?
Do you have it for other teams as well?
Absolutely. So they have everything from phone cases. Everything ranges on the table from about $78 to about $250. All and it's all very.
Wow, this is amazing. So if you're a Yankees fan, you can get it Yankee style. If you are a, I won't say Boston, but you could have a Boston.
Watch out, some of us are
Philly.
from Boston.
I know, that's why I said
I'm
that.
gonna get hate tweets.
Okay, here's my question, though. I mean, this looks kind of pricey. Is this going to be pricey?
So we're talking all about from the
70 on the way up,
78 all the way to about 250. But it's a chic way to show your team spirit.
Listen, women don't have lots of ways to express themselves, and I know the MLB has been really working hard at incorporating gear for women because there's so many women that do love sports just like their men in their lives. So this is a great way to look chic, organized, and you know what? Show your pride.
All stuff on this table is from Dooney.com, and obviously grab your Modell stuff.
All right, we love it. Joshy, thank you so much.
Of course.
Look at that behind you.
I know. Am I standing in the way?
Yes.
Get out. Get out.
No, we love you, Josh McBride. Thank you so much for being here. And you can get your Mets gear, you know what, DooneyandBourke.com?
Dooney.com.
Dooney.com, and of course, head on over to your Modell's and go click on PIX11 app and click on the Morning News tab.
Good stuff there. All right, time now, 7:49.